Hi all, welcome to Dazed in Flavor. Tired of cold, cough, runny nose, sore throat? Well, here is a simple homemade recipe using basic ingredients right from your kitchen. It works like magic for my entire family, including adults and kids. Ingredients: 2 tablespoon fennel seed, 1 tablespoon black pepper, 2 tablespoon cumin seed, 2 tablespoon coriander seed, and few slices of ginger. Now let's blend them together and make it into a powder. Now this is ready. Let's put them in a pan. And I'm going to add around 1.5 to 2 liters of water. To this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can also add the whole turmeric. The other optional ingredients are kabasura, nilavembu, adimadram. Those are herbs that you can get. Now it's come to a boil. We need to let it boil till the liquid is 1/4 and then turn off the stove. The additional ingredients are optional. They just alter the taste a little bit and makes it a little bitter, which kids might not like, so I try to stay away from them. To this, I'm adding juice of 1 whole lime and adding the lime. So make sure your stove is off when you add this lime. You don't want to really boil this. Now it is ready to be served. I'm going to have a strainer and transfer this into a cup. I prefer drinking when it's hot. One last and final ingredient that we are going to add is honey. You can always use local honey. But if you don't get the local honey, please use store-bought honey. I try to avoid using any kind of sugar that kind of irritates my throat. So honey is so soothing to the throat, and this is definitely going to work like magic for your cold or sore throat or cough. You can also store this in the fridge for up to 2 days and heat it up and drink it as needed. Try this wonderful recipe when you or your family members are sick, and I'm sure you'll thank me for this. Get dazed in flavor. Disclaimer: if you're allergic to any of these ingredients used here or have any medical condition, please ask your doctor before consuming this.